Hello friends and hello students. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the LCM, any two number in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes, is open Ultra file menu, taking new file, and here our goal write a program to find LCM of any integer number. Any we can say that any two, yes, two integer numbers. So first in your mind, what is LCM? So that is a, we can say that list, yes, list common multiple. Yes, so that is a list common multiple in maths. So that also known as a lowest, yes, lowest, we can say that common, yes, common multiple, yes. So that is lowest, smallest common multiple, that type of, and least common multiple. So yes, at first we can take how to. So first make a multiple, yes, multiple of numbers, yes, and choose, yes, like we can already my video lecture as a HCF. So highest common factor, and here lowest or least common multiple. So that is a choose. So make a multiple of numbers, and then we can choose common. Yes. So common multiple. Yes, and so you can find out, so that is a multiple. So that is perfect. And next we and you can take, and we can say that then uh, take lowest. Yes, so we can already say that the lowest common, yes, multiple LCM of numbers. So that is a perfectly. So I just take as two lines. So means here I 10. Yes, so you can watch in one screen. And now I give one example. So that is our paperwork. So find, we can say that find LCM of like 3 and 4. Yes, 3 and 4. So let us take multiple 3. So we can say that 3, then we can say that 6, yes, then 9, then 12, yes, then 15. So that is a 18, then 21. So multiplication, yes, so that is a, you have to know. And next like 24, so that is a continue. So etc, we can say that. So that continue, and now same process multiple of 4. So like 4 itself, then 8, then 12, then we can say that 16, then 20, then 24, yes, that and 28. So that is a continue process. And so we can here, yes, so common, yes, here we can find out then first or common multiplication of this process. So common multiplication, uh, yes, multiplication of 3 and 4. So that is, you can watch like 12 and 24. So that is a common our multiplication. And then we can find, yes, here, and can choose LCM. So that is like lowest, so 12. Yes, so you can watch. So first I revise. So what is a process? Yes, here. So now perfectly, and here we can start. Yes, so all are well. So 3, 3, then 6, 9. So 3 and 4 multiplication, that process we have to continue. and then we can common. So common means 12 and uh, both list that repeat. So here 12 and 24, yes, and here that is 12 and 24. So lowest means least common multiple. So that is a 12. So that is the answer of these 3 and 4. So now we can implement this process to our C coding, C logic or program. I give multi-comment line, and that is reference for you. So now we can start first. There are two logic with UDF and without UDF. So first technique I can apply. So first without UDF means user defined function. So directly we can all program in main. So our header file, standard input output and console input output, and then void main, and we can take two integer number. So yes, perfectly. So let us check x, y, and max. Yes, and then clear the screen, and we can enter. That is a from user. So we can say that enter two integer number. So yes, here you can also enter yes, any two. Yes, and you can enter the positive, but here I not that word used in the message, because we can convert in the negative value to positive value. So let us check. So here we can scan 2x and then y at the same time, and then my technique, so that is conditional operator. So x is greater than 0, so question x remaining x, and otherwise minus x, so minus minus plus in maths. So we can, if user enter negative value, so we can convert in positive value. So is a ternary or conditional operator, ternary operator known as conditional operator in C, and minus y, same process. And now we can take as max also x is greater than y. So question x assigned to max, otherwise y assigned to x. So that is a, and now we can take as while loop, while always one. So that is a always one means that is an advanced feature. So that is a continuous. And now we can if condition. So max, yes, and then module x equal to reminder 0, and logical and operator max module y equal to 0. So both condition is satisfied. So we can, yes, here now we can print. So we can say that let us check. So that the LCM of percentage d and yes, two number, and that is yes, is, and then percentage d. So we can print x, y, and that is our max variable. So that is perfect. And then we can break this while loop, means that for while loop, because while is always one, so we can take some action, otherwise that is an infinite loop, because we can exit or return or break. So here I use as a break keyword. And yes, max we can prefix as a plus plus. Postfix you can also use, there is no problem. So now that perfect. So let us check our logic how it's possible. So I can save. So I give the name LCM. Yes, LCM. So list common multiple and then number. So dot C. Yes. So let us check. I compile. Yes, there is no any error. So perfect our logic. And now I can run. So I give 3 and 4. So yes, 12. So perfect our answer, and that is our, because we have to already paperwork, so we can sure that is a perfect answer. So you can always implement any program in C. You can first done in the paperwork. That is must be. So let us check how it's possible. So now I can take as Alter W and watch window, and then Alter W again and output window. So last output is our output window, and here X, then Y, and then max. There are three integer variable. So you have to know Alter R, that we have to trace into. So I press F7 key, and clear screen. Our watch output window is clear. And now scan like 3 and 4. I same our that two integer positive. If we pass in negative, so that convert in positive. But here already I pass is the positive. So we can check after this tracing. So let us check. Yes. So both is same. Max is store 4. Yes. And if condition is not true, because that reminder is 0, but here that is a max is a store 4. So 4 and module y is reminder 0, but x module that is a not. So we can, yes, that is max plus plus. So that is a 5. Yes. Now again, if condition check, yes, that possibility. So that is a, we can check our multiple. Yes. So yes, again that plus plus 6. Yes. Now that reminder both and that is condition is true. Yes, here, yes, again that reminder, but you can see that max is a 6, but that both condition is not satisfied. Again, set plus plus, so that is a continue process. Which number? That 12. Yes, let us check. So now that you can remind a 0. Yes, so first I said that that is not here possibility. So max is a 12 and x, so that is a 3, reminder 0, because 4 3s are 12, and then y is 4, so 4 3s are 12, so that is perfectly. So look here, that is a fine and break, so that while loop is terminate, so that is a 12 answer. So up to 12 that continue process. So now, yes, I again trace. So let us check. I give the negative. So like I give the -4 and -8. So how to that convert in negative to positive? So look here in watch window. So both x, y is negative, but that ternary conditional operator convert in minus minus plus. So that is a perfect. So here we can enter any two integer number, not positive, because we already converting negative to positive number. Now yes, that max is 8. Then first time you can look here directly if condition is true, because 4 that modulo is 0 reminder, and 8 equal to 8 modulo, that is 0. So directly that is 8 is our we can say that least common multiple. So 4 and 8 that we can take directly positive value. So I think you have to understand. Again I run, and now I can give like 5 and 7. So let us check 5 and 7. That is a lowest common multiple. So yes, that continue. So again, that condition is means if while loop is true, but condition is if false. So max is plus plus, again plus plus. So 9, that is plus plus 10. Yes, but 5x is reminder 0, but y is 7, so not possibility. So 11, yes, plus plus 12. So that is a plus plus, yes, 13, 14. So yes, next 16, 17, 18, yes, I think 21. Yes, let us check, but 5 is not reminder 0. So that is a continue. Yes, now we can check both number is not, I think, possibility. So yes, that is a continue process. So yes, where that is end. So here, yes, now 35. Yes, look. So very long process we can find both numbers satisfied. 35. Yes, that is a lowest common multiple. So 5 7 are 35 and 7 5 are 35. So you can know very well. So 35 answer is a LCM in 5 and 7. So perfect. So now I convert this logic into the user defined function. Yes, here very interesting and very simple logic I develop. And now I convert in this logic to that is a, we can say that in white, yes, and give the LCM, that is our user defined function, and with argument but no return value. This type of UDF I can develop, and we can pass, yes, here that is not require only max. We can not max is required. LCM, there is a new logic I develop. So yes, means X and Y I can pass. And next, we cannot print in here, but in UDF, so I void an LCM, and that is our integer that I give the X, yes, same, and integer that Y. And let us check. I remove this, first I comment line. So both logic you have to know very well. So yes, I give here multi-comment line. So that is a comment line, yes. So that is perfectly. And here now we can start UDF to new logic. So integer I take A and B, yes, and that A assigned to X and B assigned to Y. Yes, and that is a while loop. Yes, here we can also take as while loop, but A is not equal to B. Yes, that is a condition. So like in HCF, yes, that is a highest common, we can say the factor, that type I same logic, and that is a here in that greater than sign I use here less than sign. So here we can use like A, yes, and A plus X. In previously we can minus in HCF, or we can say GCD, greatest common divisor. So you can watch that my video lecture. Same type logic I can apply. So here again that B multiply Y, yes, and how that possible, that is a different logic. And then we can take, yes, after here we have to print. So we can say that the LCM percentage D and percentage D is, yes, and percentage D. So we can print X, Y, and then our A variable. So that is a possibility, very simple logic here. There is no any, we can take two extra variable and store our xy, and that is a ab is a plus, plus, in previously minus I can use, but here plus operator, and greater than in here in this LCM we can use as a less than sign, and then we can print. So let us check. I give this logic to multi comment line, so that is for your reference. Otherwise this not requiring this logic, only this part, and get ch, and that is a new logic here in the LCM. So list as a common multiple. So let us check. I compile. Yes, there is no any error. And let us check. I give minus 4 and minus 8. So yes, that perfectly same output, same logic. This logic is different, but output is same. So 3 and 4. So you can see 12. How that possible? Again, I take as watch window that already we have to take an xy, and now two variable. Max is not here required, A and B. Yes, so four variable here use. So let us check. I press. So yes, here I deselected. So you can just clear the screen. So output window is clear. And now I again 3 and 4. Yes, you have to know very well that is a 12, that is our answer. But how possible in this logic? So we can observe. Yes, here call UDF XY is, yes, now that assign A equal to X. So that is a 3, and uh, y assigned to b, so that is a 4, and a is not equal to b. Yes, if y is true and a is less than b, yes, that if condition is true, so a plus x, so x is a is 3 and x is 3, so a is 6. Again that you can look not equal to b, so a is 6 and b is 4, so not equal to, again a less than b, but yes, now condition is false and go in the else part. So b equal to b plus y is 4 and b is also 4, so 8. So look, that is both increment. So a is 6 now and b is 8. Previously a is 3 and 4, now in double. So that is a multiple, yes, multiplication operation, multiple. So yes, that continues. So we can very easy way find out this logic. So if you not you understanding previously while loop, so here that while loop, but here multiplication, 3 multiply 3 6 and 4 multiply 4, so that is 8. Yes, and again a less than b, so a is 6 and b is 8. Yes, if condition is true, and again a plus x is 3 and a, so 9. Yes, a is 9 and a not equal to b. Yes, condition is while true, and a is 9 but b is 8, so condition is false, go in else. So b plus y, so y is 4 and b is 8, so that is at 12. Yes, so in multiply, so number is increment itself, so first that 3 6 and 9, and b is a 4, then 8 and 12, so increment 4 plus 4 8, then 8 plus 4, that 12. Yes, not equal to, again go in if condition is true, so that is you can see our answer is now 12, so very close to now. So how that while loop is false, let us check. So a plus that is 12. Yes, both are same, so you can look here both exactly ab is 12 and not equal to, but that is equal to, so while loop is false, and that is our answer. So it is a very perfect. So yes, both logic is very interesting for your logic development in C language. So here I can also imply, yes, very close. So let us check. I give long watch window. So I again give -5 and -7. So both are positive. How to convert? You can look in the watch window. So 5 minus minus plus and minus minus plus. Again, that LCM UDF is called a assigned to x, so 5, and y assigned to b, so that is 7. Yes, not equal to b. Yes, that condition is if true, and a plus x, so that is a 5 plus 5, and that is a 10. Yes, increment, so that multiply. Yes, again not equal to, while loop is true, then a is 10 and b is 7, so if condition is false, else. So 7 plus 7, so 14. Just look here, very interesting. So not, yes, while loop is not a equal to not b. Yes, again that if condition is true, so that is a 15. Yes, uh, 5 plus 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Again that while loop is true, and if condition a less than b, not. Yes, that is condition is false, go in else. So look, 7 14 plus 7, so that is 21. Yes, yeah, perfectly. So while loop again true, not equal to b, so again just a less than b. Yes, if condition is true, and 15 plus 5, so 20. So look that both are increment a and b, our variable, and xb is the same, 5 and 7. So we can print our LCM percentage d and percentage, so we can store in ab variable, and we can print an xy, so that is a needed. So yes, now you can understand. I second time take as a tracing watch window. So yes, a less than b. Yes, condition is true, and again a is increment 5, so 25. That not while loop is true. Yes, so that is again, yes, that if condition is false, and else. So 28, 28 plus 7, so 28. Yes, again while loop true, if condition is true, and then 25 plus 5, so 30. Yes, not while loop is true, again a less than b, no, so go in else part, again that is b, so 28 plus 7, so 35. Now very near to our answer. Now if while loop is true, and if condition is also true, because a less than b. Yes, because b is 35 and a is 30, so 30 plus 5, so 35. Yes, or that is answer, both a b is same. So that is a list, or we can say smallest common multiple. Okay, multiplication or multiple. So yes, now our answer, you can watch 35. So yes, we can convert negative number to positive and find out the least common. Now I can stop the watch. Yes, that is perfectly. So I take two logic two in this session, and very interesting, least common multiple or lowest common multiple, or you can say that smallest common multiple. So many that T word use least common multiple, lowest common multiple, or uh, smallest non-zero. Yes, so that is not zero. So common multiple. So yes, that is also saying in the mathematics. So yes, I comment line in this. That is our first logic. Only while loop and if and while always one. That is advanced feature of while loop. Like advanced feature of for loop, like 7 feature. If you not uh, under any knowledge of advanced feature of for loop and while loop, so you can watch while loop in C language and for loop in C language in my YouTube channel. And I think you can understand what is a LCM. So that is a least common multiple. So I think understand. First, I give one example. What is a condition? So make a multiple of number and choose common multiple and take lowest common multiple for LCM of number, that number. So here we can testing 3 and 4. That is our example. And that we can find 2, 12 and 24. And that is a 12 lowest or small non-zero common multiple. So that is a 12 and 3 and 4. So that we can find, and that is a best logic. Yes, you can understand here increment. Yes, just number itself add to that number. So 3 plus 3, that is 6, 6 plus 3, that is 9, 9 plus 3, that is 12, and 3 and 4, that is a 12, that is our answer, and 4 plus 4, so 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, that is our answer. So you can, this logic is very easy to our previous logic. So that is the best. So compared to I developed two logic. So this is also best, but that you can easily understand in this logic. So what is the LCM? Yes. So write this program to your C notebook if you prepare very interesting and very knowledgeable session for uh, I my side of you. I think you have to very powerful in maths programming. Yes, LCM and HCF. So highest common factor, and here I take as a lowest common multiple. So yes, that both you can watch in my YouTube. Now I can upload this video. So yes, I close these files. So if you prepare C notebooks, so write this program to logic and compare. So and taking the watch window and output window. So now I can alter F3 function key, close, and watch and output window and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And regarding this definition, what is a LCM and how two logic I developed for you. Any doubt or any question, you can write in comment section. I definitely give to answer to you. Thanks again and Hare Krishna.